So what we're going to do is a brief meditation. So if you'd like, what I'd love you to do is go ahead and turn off your video, and that'll be helpful for you to share at the end. When you're complete with the process, you'll turn your video back on. All right, so this is an ancestors meditation, and if you have any concerns about connecting with your ancestors, that sort of thing, what I would just encourage you to do is connect either with your chosen family or chosen ancestors that are in good standing with you, and just focus on those folks in the process. Or you can just skip that part of the meditation if you're not comfortable doing that. And I always just like to make a caveat about that before doing an ancestral meditation. All right, so if everyone will close your eyes, I'm going to take you on a little journey. It's actually quite a long journey. 14 billion years ago, all possibility was born into this universe. The green dragon of time blew a kiss of fire, and every element popped into being. In this primordial bliss, the dance of our cosmos began, its rhythms and time established. Feel that beat into your belly. Go ahead and look around you and behind you, breathing in the elements of your being. As the dragon moved through the expanding cosmos, presence emerged. The matter came together and danced into bright galactic centers. Galaxies were born, and the dragon cried and shrieked in delight. Their tears of joy became 1,000 billion stars in a spiral dance of light. Community emerged. In the Milky Way, a tree was planted, and from that tree grew a song. The song of many tribes, among them our sun, moon, and the blanket of stars, and our planet guardians. Dragon told the sun, moon, and the planets to breathe in their people. Life formed in the waters. I invite you to breathe in your chosen ancestors, your community. Feel their presence and wisdom in your bones. Sun sang of creation, of life on this planet, and out of the waters, life crawled and stretched and moved onto the shores. Moon sang of the waters within life. The waters and life moved together, circling togetherness. The planets moved and sang of the rhythms and flow within time and place. Fire ignited in the circle, and there was a burning joy and warmth in the darkness. And so dance was born. As you feel your rhythms and movement, look with your mind's eye around you for your kin, your chosen ancestors around the fire. Welcome them with embrace. Sit with them a moment. Invite the ancestors to guide you today as your path emerges for the next leg of your journey in the labyrinth of this time. and thank them for joining you. And now gently open your eyes and look at your hand. See the lineage of your kin, the matter of aeons that came from the first kiss of the green dragon. Touch your hand and feel the information and atoms that came together to be you today, moving on this green-blue planet, spiraling with the moon and sun around the galactic center of the Milky Way tree. Feel this presence. What do you feel? What messages did you hear for this time? Go ahead and take a moment to journal about what came up for you. And when you're complete, you can turn on your camera